In this video, we will see how to fix TBH Task Bar Hero chat stop and merging item not working. So to fix this issue, you just follow this video. First thing is guys, you run the inventory sync. You just follow these steps to sync your inventory and remove missing or stuck item. First, go to your game and other tab. Click the option of Steam inventory issue resolved. After that, confirm the action. Okay, where you find the option of other, then Steam inventory issue and click the option of confirm. Okay, inventory sync initially successfully proceed to your mailbox. Then claim and restart. Go to the mailbox tab and wait roughly 10 seconds for refresh button to appear. Click refresh, complete clear the mailbox all the chats that show up by claiming and opening them. Okay, so you just here is the refresh this tab if your problem is not resolved. Reopen the game, open your mailbox, refresh, open any new chats that pop into your queue, then quit, then reopen and then claim until no chats are left in the mailbox. It may require the multiple restart of the chats after unclog in the batch of twos. Okay, repeat until no more chats remain. After that guys, you simply restart your game and your computer. Sometimes simple restart also resolve these minor glitches. So first you close your game and also check your game is closed from the background. Okay, here you find the system tree, then click the option of exit and completely close. If you are not find here, you use the task manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+K button and end the task, then restart your computer. Okay, after restart, launch your game and check for the update like this. Then guys, verify everything is work and check the issue is resolved or not. Then you move to the another step, which is verify your game file integrity. So guys, for this open your game library, then select your game and click on the game. Okay, after right click on the game you want to verify, click the option of manage. In the manage section, here you find the option of Task Bar Heroes. Then go for properties and installed files. Where in install file you find the option of verify integrity of the game files. After that, click the option of verify integrity of files and wait for the process to complete. Then launch the game, and once the process is complete, click close and launch the game. Okay, after that you try to update your game and graphics driver. For updating the game, simply go for your library, right click it and update your game. Okay, and you also enable auto updates. Any guides for graphic drivers? First of all, you press Window plus R and type DXIAG and press enter. Then visit the official manufacturer of your GPU. After selecting, download the latest version, install the driver and run your PC. Okay, then we have the another options, which is Task Hero, run your game as an administrator. So guys, for running the game as an administrator, first of all open your game location, then right click it and go for the manage and browse the local file. When you find your game, you find the folder and find the taskbar hero.exe file. Exe file means the executable file. Then right click it, click the option of properties. In the property section, go for run the file as the administrator. Just mark it and apply and okay. Okay, so these are the things guys that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, you also wait, sometime it is from the backend problem, so you just wait and check the problem is solved or not. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.